Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Nivisha. First of all, happy Friendship Day to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and supporting me by watching these videos. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go subscribe. चलो चलो नीचे ही है subscribe का button. Go and subscribe to my channel. Also, as you have read by the title, that this video is going to be with my super close friend Rashi. Yes, and it is the none other the would you rather challenge. Yes, so I just hope you guys like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Again, I'm telling it to you. Love you guys. Keep watching. Guys, welcome my best friend Rashi together on our screen. Okay, so hi Rashi, say hi.
Hi, I'm good.
So this is Rashi, which is who is my dearest friend, and I'm so grateful to her. We have been friends since a really long time. It's been 3 years, and today the idea of this challenge, that is the Would You Rather challenge, was given to me by only and only this girl. So I'm really obliged that she gave me this idea, and we are doing this video right now. So, with no further ado, let's start this challenge.
Yay.
Okay, Rashi, so I want you to ask me the first question. Then we'll continue.
Okay, so the first question is
Yeah.
would you rather have a bad breath or a bad body odor?
I would not like any of these things actually. But if I have to choose one, then I would rather have bad breath so that I won't speak, but at least people will
Really?
be around me. Yaar. If I
See?
have a bad body odor, it's going to be like, hey, कोई मेरे बाजू
But
में ही नहीं
then,
रहेगा यार.
but then if you have a bad body odor, you can use a deodorant or a...
Then even if I have a bad breath, I can use a mouth freshener. Yeah. So we have alternatives for everything.
But still,
No
I would
problem.
choose
But
bad
I'll go
body
with
odor.
bad breath. Chalega. Chalo, my first question to you, and it is a very simple one. Uh, would you rather lose all your teeth or all your hair? Like all your hair.
All my hair. Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'll be
I
so
meant
bad
all your
without
hair means,
teeth.
अरे you can have dentures, अब जो भी बोलते हैं
But then
बत्ती
I
सी
can
लगा
put
लो.
hair wig also, na.
But then
But
हाँ
see,
वही है.
all these
चलो nice.
alternatives are not allowed. What is this? You can use a deodorant and then you can use, hair wig. All this is not done, huh?
You only gave me the option of deodorant. I never said deodorant. So next question for me, Rashi.
Yes. So your next question is, would you rather eat shit that tastes like chocolate or chocolate that tastes like shit?
I would rather eat a chocolate that tastes like shit because that's a better option for me because I cannot eat shit because I know that is shit. If I'm having chocolate, I know at least I'm having chocolate, which is like shit, then it's my bad. But yeah,
Good.
that would be nice.
Same.
Okay. So next question for you is, would you rather have a spaghetti with a hair that regrows every day or have your sweat in your maple syrup?
That hair which grows every day.
Yeah, in your stomach it will grow every day.
No, I would go with the sweat and maple syrup.
Yeah, you'll have this sour and sweet taste.
I don't mind.
Shit, I'm like creepy. Chalo, next question. Yuck for me.
Would you rather have diarrhea for 3 months or be constipated for 3 months? Like you want to keep on pooping for 3 months or not poop at all for 3 months?
So, being my best friend, if I'm constipated even for one day, I die. Okay, I cannot stay constipated at all. I'll be calling all my friends and yaar main kya karu? Yaar main kya karu? So I'd rather have diarrhea for 3 months because that will be better. I lose my weight. Also, I lose
So
my life.
this question was asked to you keeping in mind your love for pooping.
Binge. Bingo. Hello. Next question by me. गाड़ी जा रही है. Okay. Next question. Would you ever wear a shirt which is always itchy or wear a ply of toilet paper?
Um,
Like every day, huh?
every day,
Yeah.
shirt that is itchy. I can't wear toilet paper all around.
Oh god, but you'll get irritated by that shirt, yeah.
It's better I wear a shirt, look good and presentable.
Okay, chalo, nice, no
I'll
problem.
control my
Like,
itching.
so this girl is more towards fashion, fashion greater than comfort. I'm the total opposite. Chalo, next question for me.
Would you rather jump from a cliff without a rope or skydive without a parachute?
I would not jump from a cliff. I'd rather jump from sky. I'll skydive and then I'll die without a parachute because then
Same
I'll have
dude.
ऐसे पूरा नजारा देखते देखते तो मरूंगी यार. क्लिफ से क्या पत्थरों को देख के मरूं? ना
साथ
ना.
में जाएंगे मरने.
साथ में कूदेंगे, तू
Skydive
मेरा
करके
पैराशूट
मरेंगे.
खींचना, मैं तेरा.
जो नहीं वाला.
हाँ चलो नेक्स्ट from my side. Very easy. Wait. Okay, this is a very easy question, and I know she'll answer what is the answer. So, would you rather have a ketchup sandwich or a sriracha sandwich? I know this
I,
answer.
of course, sriracha sandwich. Like I love spicy food and I hate ketchup. I hate ketchup.
Rashi's love for spice cannot be answered in words. शब्दों के बया है. मतलब she can have spices to that level that nobody can even tolerate. Okay, so
I
heads
love
up to
spicy
you.
food. Yeah. Dude, I can't imagine having meetha chutney and like anything.
Trust me, she doesn't
And
have
even
cake. She
sugar.
doesn't have ice cream. Huh?
And even sugar. Like I hate sugar.
I know that is the only reason she hates ice cream, which I love the most. So it's okay.
Peace.
No problem. Next question for me.
Okay. So, would you rather be a rude person or a sweet person who gets hurt every day? I know this.
By my nature, not being ऐसे जान पूछ के innocent. नहीं नहीं रुक. Like what nature I have is I'll rather be hurt every day and be sweet to all, because if people who know me, they know that I cannot be rude to anyone. Like it will be better if I get hurt solely rather than hurting many others by being rude. So yeah,
Right.
it's
Yeah, yeah.
being sweet and getting hurt. जो मुझे कोई करना मत प्लीज. मुझे अगर किसी ने हर्ट किया then deal with Rashi. Yes, because मेरे साथ जो भी पंगा आता है वो यही संभालती है. मैं आ जाऊंगी और फिर ये जाके भिड़ के आएगी.
Bodyguard.
Yeah. चलो, next question from my side. So now it's the turn for our last question, and I'll be going first now. So, would you rather wear a wedding dress or wear a bathing suit every day?
Wedding dress every day. You know
Whether
me,
you'll wear all that
wedding.
ghagra, choli, lehenga,
Yes, I can.
shit every single day. Are you
Yeah,
sure?
the makeup and
Mumbai
the
की बारिश,
shoes and
गर्मी,
everything.
jewelry के साथ.
Yes. And those
Super.
choker necklaces, I love it.
इसके दिमाग में तो पूरा फैशन सेंस चालू हो गया ऐसे, मेरी शादी की तैयारी करो बस. Send Rishtas in for Rashi Desai. Oh,
Fun.
I guess. हाँ, it is fun, but I guess if I was there, I would have worn a bathing suit. मुझे गर्मी बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. I can't tolerate गर्मी इतना सा भी. मैं ट्रस्ट में पूछो राशि से, हमारे क्लास में एक बार एसी बंद हो गया था. Legit, I started crying. मैं रो रही थी बिकॉज किसी ने एसी बंद कर दिया था और मेरे को legit बहुत बहुत रोना आ रहा था गर्मी की वजह से. I'm that kind of a person. Okay. Next question for me. Last question.
Last question, guys. If you want to know some secret about Nivisha, please pay attention. Would you rather
No.
date someone you love or date someone who loves you?
Nice, Kumau question. I think I should give it a thought, but then I know the answer. I guess I'll go with the person who loves me and not somebody I love, because that is not at all possible. I cannot love anybody, like love in the sense love wala love, because
What
I
is
guess
this love wala love, dude?
love wala love is like my love for you is unconditional, my love for my parents, my family is unconditional, but love for somebody, you know, I have to spend my life with, I cannot decide that. I'm sorry to say, but I really don't know if I meet a boy next day and I can, you know, actually decide, अरे हाँ यार ये तो मेरा पति है, चलो शादी करें. मुझसे नहीं होगा. Whereas Rashi is totally ulta.
I am excited for my wedding, but that doesn't mean I'll marry any guy who comes.
No, I'm not saying you'll marry any guy. I'm saying that love is something that you understand and I don't. That is the only thing.
That is
मतलब past में भी ऐसे बहुत instances हुए जहाँ पे she used to explain me what it is and I was like, ये क्या बकवास कर रही है ये लड़की? What is this? मतलब मैं ऐसे होती हूँ. And then ठीक है यार, I really appreciate those who are in relationships. May God bless you all. May you find your life partner soon, those who don't have. But मेरे लिए relationship is not my cup of tea. Sorry to say. Send Rishtas for Rashi.
No,
Not to me.
I'm busy.
Yeah, oh, कब हो गया आप busy? आपका status single से mingle अब तक हुआ नहीं है. Please. I am busy. She is busy with her neighbor का बच्चा.
Oh yeah, it's
Rishta's
her birthday
birthday.
today, dude.
Yeah.
Shit, yeah.
Happy
she's
birthday,
cancer.
Babu. Yes, it's her first birthday today. Chalo, wishes to her.
I love her.
So
yeah.
guys, I guess this was the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it and loved it. This was a special Friendship Day edition for you all. Rashi, do you want to say something on my channel?
I love you. And I'm so grateful to have you. Like, I just can't imagine, you know, dealing with my problems without you. That's like the best part. Like, any problem, Nivisha is the solution. I love you. Mwah.
ऐसे उड़ रही हूँ मैं, उड़ रही हूँ.
पर ज़्यादा उड़ मत. सिर्फ फ्रेंडशिप डे.
चलो, love you too, love you a lot.
Guys,
So,
like, share, and subscribe.
do not forget to ring the bell icon. Love you all. Celebrate your Friendship Day with your dear ones. Video call them, send them gifts, text them. Stay happy, stay safe, stay at home. Love you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Yes, 1, 2, 3, and music.
Wait. This is going to be really fun. So, Rashi, I want you to start with the questions. First question for me.
Hey, रुक. I don't like this intro.
वापस चलो 1 2
एक मिनट रुक. मम्मी दरवाजा बंद कर ने प्लीज. अने बेल बंद कर. पूजा थोड़ा भाभी से बात मत कर अभी 5 मिनट. चल.